This is the story of the voice that is forgotten, the voice that seems to go unheard. This is the story for the fighters, the dreamers, the believers, and the trailblazers that have come before us. They have written the words of our future, and it is our mission to continue this journey. We are writing history, our way. To understand where we are going, we must understand our past. This is our untold story. This is our new beginning. Our mission is to diversify individuals via education, where your race, ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation are not only accepted, but celebrated.
This is our story. How will you tell yours?